Given that f of x is equal to minus x squared plus 6x minus 1, find f of 2. What it just means is that you should replace x with 2 in this equation. Replace x with 2 in this equation. That means f of 2 is equal to minus 2 power 2 plus 6 open bracket 2 minus 11. If you solve, it becomes 2 power 2 will give you 4. You have minus 4. 6 times 2 will give you 12 minus 11. Minus 4 plus 12 will give you 8. 8 minus 11 will be equal to minus 3. This is our last answer. Let's try the second question. Find f of 10. The same method. Replace x in this equation with minus 10. F of minus 10 will be equal to minus open bracket 10 squared plus 6 open bracket 10 minus 11. Let's continue. It becomes equal to minus 10 squared will give you 100 plus 6 times 10 will give you 60 minus 11. Minus 100 plus 60 will give you minus 40 minus 11. The answer will be minus 51. This is the answer. Then you can pause the video and try the next question and put the answer in the comment section. Then let's continue. They say find f of t minus 11. What it just means is replace x with t minus 3. That means f of t minus 3 will be equal to minus open bracket t minus 3 close bracket plus 6 open bracket t minus 3 close bracket minus 11. Let's continue. This one is squared. This also means minus t minus 3 close bracket t minus 3 plus 6 times t will give you 6t. 6 times minus 3 will give you minus 18 minus 11. Bring your minus. T times t, t squared. T times minus 3, minus 3t. Minus 3 times t, minus 3t. Minus 3 times minus 3 give you plus 9. Close your bracket. Plus 6t. Minus 11, minus 8, minus 18 minus 11 will give you minus 29. Then, you already know that minus 3t minus 3t will give you minus 6t. Then minus times t squared will give you minus t squared. Minus times minus 6t will give you plus 6t. Then minus times plus 9 will give you minus 9. Then plus 6t minus 29. Then you can add this with this. Then before you add this with this. Then minus t squared. 60 plus t, 60 will give you 12t. Then minus 9 minus 29 will give you minus 38. And this is our last answer for this question. Then let's try for the last question, which is D. It says you find f of 4x. F of 4x minus 1. It becomes, replacing x with 4x minus 1. Minus open bracket 4x minus 1. Close your bracket. All squared. Plus 6 open bracket 4x minus 1. Close the bracket minus 11. Then this also means minus open bracket 4x minus 1, 4x minus 1. Then 6 times 4x will give you 24x. Then 6 times minus 1 will give you minus 6 minus 11. Let's continue. We have minus, open bracket, 6x times 4x times 4x will give you 16x squared. 4x times minus 1 minus 4x. Minus 1 times 4x will give you minus 4x. Minus 1 multiplies minus, because minus times minus will give you plus. Then 1 times 1 will give you 1. Close your brackets. Then minus 6 minus 1 will give you what? Minus 17. You have plus 24 minus 17. Then you know that 4x plus 4x will give you 8, that minus 8x. Minus times 16x squared will give you minus 16x squared. Minus times minus 8x will give you plus 8x. Minus times 1 will give you minus 1 plus 24x minus 17. Then what can add? 8x can go to 24x, and minus 1 can go to minus 17. You now have minus 16x squared. 8x plus 24x will give you what? 32x plus 32x. Minus 1 minus 17 will give you minus 18. And this is our last answer. Thank you for watching this video.